In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Kreo and organize your files and folders in Google Chrome. Let's get started by opening Google Chrome. In the address bar at the top, type kreo.net and press enter. This will take you to the Kreo website. Once the page loads, look for the Login button and click it. On the sign in screen, enter your email and password, then click Login to access your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials you normally use for Kreo, and avoid entering any sensitive information where it doesn't belong. After you sign in, click on Dashboard. This is your home base in Kreo, where you can see your projects and files. If your dashboard is busy, take a moment to scan through what's already there so you know what needs organizing. To create a place for your files, click the Folder option. You'll be prompted to enter a name for the folder. Choose a clear, descriptive name that makes sense to you and your team, then click Create. Good folder names can save time later by making items easier to find at a glance. Now it's time to move things into the right place. You can drag and drop files directly into the folder you just made. Simply click and hold the file, drag it over the destination folder, and release. If you prefer a more precise approach, you can use the menu next to a file. Click the three-dot icon beside the project file, choose Move, and then select the folder you want. This method is especially helpful when you want to be sure you're placing the file in the exact spot. If you spot any titles that are unclear or out of date, use the Rename option to update file or folder names. Keep names short but descriptive so you can quickly identify what's inside. Consistency is key. Use the same format across similar items. Finally, tidy up anything you no longer need. Click Delete to remove unwanted files. Take a moment to confirm you're deleting the correct item, since removing files you still need can interrupt your workflow. If a confirmation prompt appears, review it carefully before proceeding. And that's it. You've logged in, opened your dashboard, created folders, moved files into place, renamed items for clarity, and deleted what you don't need. Follow these steps anytime you want to keep your Kreo workspace clean and organized, and you'll always know exactly where your files belong.